Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices. Enable developer options and USB debugging on the phone so the PC can trust it, and install the phone keyboard app plus the small host utility on your PC. Once done, plug the phone into a primary USB port using a known good cable. Avoid hubs. Make sure the PC utility is running and set to accept ADB or accessory mode. This initial handshake lets your phone present input events to the computer, which is why debugging is required. Once the link is active, you configure key mapping and input behavior. Open the PC utility and select the USB or ADB input transport so the host reads events from the phone. Then map touch zones or on-screen keys to standard keyboard codes. Include Enter, arrows, Control, Alt, and modifiers, because accurate scan codes ensure applications respond correctly. After mapping, test typing and tweak repeat rate and sensitivity. Save the profile for quick recall. This mapping step turns screen taps into To finish, save your profile and enable auto start options so the setup reconnects automatically when plugged in. Make sure the phone stays unlocked or allowed for input while connected, and test across multiple apps to confirm consistency. If something goes wrong, first inspect the cable and USB port, then confirm the PC driver and that USB debugging or accessory mode is active. If still unresponsive, restart the host utility or ADB service. Reinstall the host driver and reconnect. That fixes most handshake and driver issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.